Welcome to Arts of All Forms. How to draw Wednesday from the Wednesday series. Added shades using pencil and then I have drawn the outline previously. Using charcoal sticks I have shaded the hair part. Later observed that I have put too much pressure, so using brush I have reduced intensity by removing powder and applying on required areas. Do you know there is a theory that thing in the Wednesday series was actually amputated from an Evil Dead movie? For a soft shading look I have kept on using a brush. You can also use cotton, which is cheap and best. Watch till end without skipping to see the pattern which I have followed. Now I have used 6B, 8B pencils for fine hair lines and show hair strands. Using a 5B pencil I shaded the face and 10B to draw eyeballs. Using a brush helps in easier shading. Now 4B pencil for nose, and for shading I have used stumps. If you don't have stumps, use a paper by rolling it. Have you watched this series? I love this series. Did you like this series? Comment below, and did you like this video? If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Finally, I used a charcoal stick for the dress and made a zigzag pattern so that it looks similar. To make drawing more impactful I have shaded one side dark to give that dark web look.